Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Vant. Today we bring you a historic boxing update from Allegiant Stadium where Canelo Alvarez and Terence Crawford have officially made weight at 167.5 pounds each ahead of their Saturday clash. Canelo will defend his undisputed super middleweight title, which Crawford steps up to a career high weight in pursuit of history. Stay tuned for the full details. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and drop your thoughts in the comments below for more uplifting stories. The boxing world is gearing up for one of the most anticipated clashes in recent history. On Saturday night, all eyes will be on Allegiant Stadium, where Canelo Alvarez will defend his undisputed super middleweight title against former two-division undisputed champion Terence Crawford. Both fighters successfully made weight during the official weigh-in, coming in at 167.5 pounds each. This fight is particularly historic for Terence Crawford, 41-0, 31 KOs. Known for his dominance in lower divisions, Crawford will now step into the ring at the highest weight of his career. Having previously fought at 154 pounds, he is making the leap to 168 pounds to challenge Canelo. For perspective, in his last fight in August 2024 against Israel Madrimov, Crawford weighed just 153.4 pounds. Now at 167.5 pounds, he is entering uncharted territory in his career. These stakes couldn't be higher. If Crawford wins, he will etch his name into the history books as the first male boxer to become undisputed champion. On the other side, Canelo Alvarez, 63-2 to 39 KOs, is no stranger to this division. The Mexican superstar has campaigned at 168 pounds for 10 of his last 11 fights, showing consistency and dominance in this weight class. His career high weight, however, was slightly above this level, 174.4 pounds, recorded back in May 2022 during his clash with Dmitry Bivol. That fight showed his willingness to test himself in heavier divisions, but at 168 pounds, Canelo has built his legacy and remains the man to beat. The fight also carries immense significance on the global boxing stage. Both Canelo and Crawford are currently featured in ESPN's prestigious pound-for-pound rankings, further highlighting the magnitude of this matchup. Crawford holds the number 3 spot while Canelo sits at number 8. With 2 pound-for-pound elite fighters colliding, fans are guaranteed a high-stakes battle that could redefine legacies. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on bell icon.